silence of the night, when the heart feels weak, temptations rise like shadows, whispering what we seek.
But there's a brighter calling, a voice from up above. Come to me, my child, I'll fill your heart with love.
Choose God, not drugs. Let His light be your guide. He will heal your broken heart. He will stay by your side.
In His arms you'll find your strength,
A hope that's ever true. Choose God, not drugs. He has a plan for you.
the world may offer pleasures that fade and disappear, a moment's false comfort exchanged for pain and fear.
But God gives peace eternal, a joy the world can't steal,
A freedom everlasting, a love that's deep and real.
Choose God, not drugs. Let His light be your guide. He will heal your broken heart. He will stay by your side. In His arms you'll find your strength, a hope that's ever true. Choose God, not drugs. He has a plan for you.
Come to Him with burdens, He'll carry them with grace. He'll break the chains that bind you, He'll lift you from this place.
You're chosen, you're forgiven, your love beyond compare.
With God you'll rise victorious, His power is always there. Choose God, not drugs. Let His truth be your song. He will walk beside you. His love will keep you strong. In His light you'll find your freedom. Your life will be made new.
Choose God, not drugs. He has a purpose for you.